Namaste, Khushro Bhatia. Today's topic is conscious versus various resistance. First of all, the resistance exercise. Three elements of muscles performance: strength, power, and endurance can be enhanced by the from resistance exercise. Alternation in each element depend on how principle of resistance training are applied and how factors like intensity, frequency, duration are manipulated. Potential benefit of resistance exercise: enhance muscles performance, increase in strength of connective tissue, greater BMD or reduce bone demineralization, decrease stress on joint, reduce risk of soft tissue injury, improve capacity to repair or heal or damage soft tissue, possible improvement in balance, enhance physical performance during ADL, recreational activity and occupation, improve body composition, increase lean muscle mass, reduce body fat, enhance feeling of physical well-being, and so strength, ability of a contractile tissue to produce tension and resultant force based on demand placed on the muscles. Greatest measurable force exerted by muscles of group of muscles to overcome resistance during a single maximum effort. Functional strength, ability of a neuromuscular system to produce, reduce, or control force imposed during functional activity in a smooth coordinator muscles. Power. Muscle power is related to strength and speed of movement and is defined as work produced by muscles per unit time, force into distance upon time. Power training by increasing work of muscles for a specific time or reducing time for specific work of muscles. Greater the intensity and shorter the time period taken to generate force, greater the muscles power. Endurance. Endurance refers to the ability to perform low intensity, repetitive, or sustained activity over a prolonged period of time. Muscle endurance is the ability to contract repeatedly against a load, generate and sustain tension, and resist fatigue over an extended period of time. Endurance training, low intensity muscles contraction, large number of repetition for prolonged time period. Principle, overload principle, SAID principle, or reversibility principle. Aware, constant and variable resistance. The most common system of resistance training use the dynamic exercise against constant or variable resistance is progressive resistance. That's called as PRE. Dynamic constant external resistance. Resistance training where limb move through a range of motion against constant external load provided by free weight like weight cuff, pulley system. Contracting muscles is a challenge maximally at only one point of range of motion where maximum torque of resistance match torque output of muscles. Variable resistance exercise, especially design resistant equipment, impose varying level of resistance to contracting muscles to load the muscle more effectively at multiple points in range of motion, exemplically with elastic tube or band. Perform against manual resistance. A skilled therapist can vary the force applied to the contracting muscles throughout the range of motion. Isokinetic exercise. It's a form of dynamic exercise in which velocity of muscle shortening or lengthening the angular limb velocity is predetermined and held constant by a rate limit device. known as isokinetic dynamometer. Thank you.